In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first sales pipeline in Freshsales. A sales pipeline in Freshsales helps you visualize every sales opportunity from the first interaction all the way to a won or lost deal. It gives your team a clear view of progress, supports better forecasting, and makes day-to-day deal management much easier. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're in, head over to Settings, then open Deals and Pipelines. From there, click on Pipelines, and then select Create Pipeline to begin building your first one. Now enter your pipeline name. At this point, you'll also see the option to set this pipeline as the default. This simply means that when new deals are created, Freshsales will automatically place them into this pipeline unless another one is selected. That's especially helpful if this will be your main sales process. Next, start adding your stages. First, create a contacted stage and set its probability to 20%. The probability field represents how likely a deal in that stage is to close successfully, which helps with forecasting expected revenue. After that, add a qualified stage and set its probability to 35%. This stage is typically used for deals that have been reviewed and confirmed as a good fit, so assigning a higher probability than contacted makes sense. Then, add a demo scheduled stage and set it to 50%. This indicates the deal has moved further along, and the prospect is actively engaging with your sales process. Next, add a proposal sent stage and assign it a 70% probability. This stage is useful for tracking deals where pricing or terms have already been shared, which usually signals stronger buyer intent. After that, create a negotiation stage and set it to 90%. This reflects deals that are very close to closing, where the conversation is focused on final details, approvals, or terms. You'll also notice that Freshsales includes default closing stages. Won is set to 100% probability, and lost is set to 0%. These stages are important because they mark the final outcome of each opportunity and keep reporting consistent. By default, deal stages are summarized using deal value. This helps you see the total value of opportunities sitting in each stage. Click on Deal Value if you want to review that setting. You can also define how many days should pass before a deal is considered stale. This is a useful way to flag inactive opportunities so your team can follow up or clean up the pipeline when needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. As a best practice, keep your pipeline simple. Define clear stage criteria, update deals right after customer interactions, and review the pipeline regularly to remove stale opportunities. A well-structured pipeline creates consistency, improves visibility, and makes revenue forecasting more accurate. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.